Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Pride Harmony wallpaper not working on iPhone. Pride Harmony brings a dynamic and expressive touch to the iPhone. The wallpaper features elegant rainbow stripes that shift and animate based on how you move or unlock your device, symbolizing fluidity and inclusivity. Unfortunately, it's not working for some users. If this wallpaper is misbehaving on your iPhone as well, I have got you covered with some quick fixes. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to disable the low power mode on your iPhone. Note that low power mode is designed to preserve battery life by limiting system functions and visual effects. Unfortunately, this also disables dynamic wallpapers like Pride Harmony. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose battery, and then you have to disable the toggle located next to low power mode. Now check whether or not it has fixed your Pride Harmony wallpaper. Then I will recommend you to turn off Reduce Motion on your iPhone. Note that Reduce Motion is an accessibility setting that minimizes screen animations to reduce motion sickness. However, it also affects dynamic wallpapers. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose Accessibility. After that, choose Motion. And then you have to disable the toggle next to Reduce Motion. Then you have to restart your iPhone. And then you have to check whether or not it has brought the Pride Harmony wallpaper into action. And finally, I will recommend you to reset all settings on your iPhone because it is well known for fixing annoying or even persistent issues. Therefore, give it a try. It's worth pointing out that when you factory reset or reset all settings on your iPhone, it does not delete any of your media or data. It only wipes out all the custom settings like your home screen, wallpaper, or lock screen customization. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose General. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset. Then you have to tap Reset All Settings and confirm it by inputting your device passcode, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix Pride Harmony wallpaper not working on iPhone. Hopefully it has managed to fix this annoying problem, and now the beloved wallpaper has started to work like a charm as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.